Good morning, friends. Myself Aman Sharma from Hotel Management Department in RPIIT campus, Karnal. Today's our topic is types of key. The housekeeping department is primarily concerned with the following category of key. First one is emergency key, second master key, third guest room key, fourth supply key, and fifth card key. Emergency key. This key open all the doors, even those that the guests have double locked. In addition, it also double lock the room against all other keys. Hence, the emergency key should be well protected. It should be stored in a secure place such as the hotel safe, a safe deposit box, or a metal cabinet that only the general manager or the security officer can access. Some properties may also keep the e-key of the premises. It should occur only in emergency situation such as a fire or when a guest or employee is locked in a room and needs immediate assistance. Most housekeeping personnel do not use emergency key on a day-to-day basis. Master key. This key open all guest room, those that are not double locked. They are separated into 4 level of access. Grand master key, master key, section master or sub master key, and floor master key. Number 1. Grand master key. This key open all hotel guest room and often all housekeeping storage room as well. It can also double lock a room of if access to it has to be denied. This key can be used in emergency situation when it is vital for a manager to enter some or all area of the hotel. It is itself kept under lock and key at the front desk of hotels. Second, master key. This key is kept by the deputy or assistant housekeeper and will open any internal door that has not been double locked. Third, section master key. These keys open all room in one work section of a hotel. A supervisor may be issued more than one key of this type as he or she may be required to inspect the work of more than one GRA. Fourth, floor master key. A GRA is given this key to open the room he or she is assigned to clean on a floor. The floor key opens all rooms on a particular floor that are not double locked. If the employee has rooms to clean one more than one floor or area, he or she may need more than one floor key. Floor key typically open the storeroom for that floor too. Third type of key is guest room key. These are keys issued to guests upon their registration. The guest room key open a single guest room so long as it is not double locked. A code number representing the room number is typically stamped on the key. Guests are asked to hand in their key when they go out, and the key are then put on a keyboard which should be kept out of view of passers by security precautions. A guest room key not hanging on the keyboard should indicate that the guest is in the hotel. Fourth is supply key. These keys are used within the serving sector of the hotel by the supervisory level staff to ensure that stocks and equipment are safely stored away when not in use. Store keys, office keys, and hidden room key are example of such keys. Last is our card key. Many hotels nowadays use the card key system. This type of room locking mechanism uses regular door locks and special plastic cards that act as key to unlock the doors. The plastic card look like credit card which holes punched in them. Some have a magnetic strip instead of holes. The system uses a computer that codes the card to lock and unlock the doors. Rather than rekeying the door locks in case of loss of key, the computer is used to create new room lock codes for each room. Master key may be easily created and destroyed through the computerized card system. Last key is card key and it is a type of card key. Thank you.